Want your AI agent to always stay up to date with your latest website content? With automatic recrawling, your agent can regularly scan your website and refresh its knowledge without you doing anything manually. In this video, I'll show you how to enable automatic website recrawling in just a few steps. In the AI Agent Builder, click the Train tab. From the left menu, open Knowledge Base. Make sure you're in the Links section at the top. In the Enter a URL field, paste the link you want your agent to crawl. This could be an FAQ page, a pricing page, an event schedule, an announcement page, or any content page you want the agent to learn from. The AI crawler will scan the page and extract relevant information. Turn on the Enable Periodic Recrawling toggle. Once enabled, you'll see frequency options. Daily, best for frequently updated pages like event schedules or announcements. Weekly, ideal for moderately updated content like promotions or FAQs. Or monthly, suitable for stable pages like About Us or policy documents. Choose the frequency that matches how often your content changes. Click the Crawl button in the bottom right corner. This performs the initial scan and adds the content to your agent's knowledge base. After that, recrawling happens automatically based on your selected schedule. If the content on your page changes, the system automatically rescans it. Your agent learns the updated information, and future responses reflect the newest content. And that's how you keep your AI agent trained with fresh website content. Set it once, choose the frequency, and let automatic recrawling keep your knowledge up to date. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.